Last class, we finished with the sign mad, grumpy, or we can even sign angry, right? Today, we're ready to start with the sign sad. Take 2 5 hands, pull them down over the face. As you do that, pull your head down with it. Sad. Next one, the sign for sick. I'm going to use 2 middle fingers. The dominant one goes on the forehead, the non-dominant one on the stomach. Sick. The next one, the sign for scared. You're going to use 2 S fists, start them on the side, pull them in towards your body into 5 hands. Obviously, use more facial expressions to show more scared, terrified, okay? The next one, like, should be a review. We learned that with our yes/no question sign. Let's review. Like. But let's learn the opposite, don't like. So we're going to sign like and throw it down. Remember, this whole sheet is signing with facial expression. So the difference would be you like it, you don't like it. Show the appropriate facial. And the last one is the sign for confused. Start with the pointer finger on the forehead and move into 2 clawed hands that rotate. Confused. Again, show confusion in your face. Show that you're not understanding it. The more confusion in your face, obviously the more perplexed that you are. Let's go back over those. Oops. The first one, sad, sick, scared, like, don't like, confused. Okay, finished for today. See you tomorrow.